how to make CBD salve with coconut oil. As many of us are well aware, CBD is gaining popularity day by day. Everywhere, new CBD shops are popping up offering the latest and greatest products infused with CBD. But you don't have to shell out hundreds of dollars on CBD in order to enjoy the positive health benefits of this latest health trend. By the end of this article, you'll not only get a sense of what CBD is, but you'll also learn how to make CBD salve with coconut oil and get an answer to the question, can I mix CBD oil with coconut oil? What is CBD? Before we start teaching you how to make CBD salve, we'd like to share a little bit of the health benefits associated with this chemical compound. CBD stands for cannabidiol and is extracted from a cannabis sativa plant. It's usually diluted with a carrier oil such as hemp and coconut oil, and is one of the many active compounds found within cannabis. The main difference between CBD and THC is that the former does not contain the psychoactive compound that induces a high, which is commonly associated with marijuana. CBD will not get you high, but it has been known to treat a whole host of medical conditions. What does CBD help with? CBD is not a brand new drug that has been magically discovered. Many civilizations had used marijuana as medicine as far back as the 3rd century BC. CBD is known to help treat chronic pain, anxiety, and even help reduce acne. It can also help to treat pain by reducing inflammation. How to make CBD salve? Now that you know a little bit about what CBD is and what it can help treat, we're going to show you how to make CBD salve with coconut oil at home. Salve is basically the technical term used for products such as ointments, creams, and balms, and is a healing solution that is easily available, easy to work with, and easy to store. Coconut oil is a great ingredient for making salve, since the natural saturated fats in coconut oil make CBD easily bind with the cannabinoids. Here are the supplies needed: 10 g coconut oil, 10 g beeswax, 26 g hemp seed oil, 12 ml CBD oil, 0.3 g vitamin E. A double boiler. Mixing bowl. Glass containers for storage. Optional. Essential oil. Yield: 60 milliliters of salve. Instructions: measure the beeswax and the coconut oil in a double boiler. Heat the two oils until the wax melts and stir them together. Add the hemp seed oil and mix it into solution. Add the CBD oil into the solution and mix thoroughly. Remove the boiler from the heat source and let the solution cool. When solution is cool but not yet solid, add an essential oil and the vitamin E. Mix rapidly and thoroughly. Proceed to pour solution into storage container. Allow the solution to cool completely before using it. What can I do with my CBD salve? Now that you have finished making your salve, you can use it to help your body heal and relax. Feel free to use your salve to treat any of the following: muscle aches, psoriasis, eczema, general inflammation, arthritis, sore joints. As you can see, making CBD salve can be simple, and the benefits of CBD usage plentiful. Before going out and buying an expensive CBD oil, remember you can make your own in the comfort of your own home. The process is quick and easy. Read also about what does tincture and CBD oil mean. This is only one of many recipes, so don't be afraid to explore the internet for more.